spirit of challenges meet the unknowns, there's always an unyielding figure, GWM TANK, boldly transcending borders and conquering limits with fearlessness. GWM TANK, a powerhouse in the realm of off-roading. Equipped with advanced four-wheel drive systems and intelligent off-road mode, it navigates rugged mountain trails and muddy swamps alike with ease, illustrating the true meaning of off-roading without boundaries through its extraordinary capabilities. Many seek to uncover the reasons behind GWM's formidable off-road prowess. We must trace its origins. This is the cradle of the world's off-roading dreams, the Yongchuan plant in Chongqing, where every GWM tank is born and then start its off-road adventures. Here, a GWM tank rolls off the production line every 72 seconds. To unravel the secrets of GWM tank's off-road capabilities, we must embark on an exploration from its very source. The mysteries of GWM tank's unparalleled off-road strength are about to be revealed. The shaping of steel. To accomplish every off-road challenge, a tough body frame is essential. The body frame is formed from steel plates, which enter the stamping workshop to undergo their transformation. Each flat piece of steel is molded into different parts of the GWM tank on the stamping production line. In the stamping workshop, these steel plates are transported by intelligent robotic arms into the stamping and shaping process. The stamping process mainly focuses on cold stamping technology. This production line is equipped with a total of 8 advanced punching machines, including a heavy-duty press with a maximum tonnage of 2,400 tons. Using 91 sets of molds tailored to the GWM tank model, the press applies immense instantaneous pressure to shape the various body parts. Each precise movement of the robotic arm places the steel sheets exactly where needed, forming the body components of the GWM tank. The fully automated continuous production line achieves 100% automation, significantly improving the efficiency and quality of the stamping process. This is the perfect fusion of power and technology, laying a solid foundation for off-road adventures. The welding of frames. Then these components meet in the welding workshop. To ensure the stability of the GWM tank's frame, the workshop employs advanced CMT, cold metal transfer, welding to flawlessly connect 50 critical weld points on the vehicle's structure. Intelligent robots use variable pressure technology to increase welding efficiency by 30%. The main welding line boasts a 100% automation rate, focusing on both quality and efficiency, with every weld point representing the ultimate pursuit of safety and strength. As the welded body slowly exits the welding workshop, it not only anticipates the next stage of production, but also faces the rigorous scrutiny of the AI monitoring and process control system. The AI monitoring system, acting as the eyes of the smart factory, performs a comprehensive 360-degree scan and inspection of the welded body. From the position and shape of the weld points to the smoothness of the body surface and the quality of the coating. Nothing escapes the sharp insight of the AI. If any slight deviation or flaw is detected, the system immediately triggers an alarm, guides the production line workers or automated equipment to make timely corrections, ensuring that issues are resolved at the source. The high-precision welding robots, together with experienced craftsmen, tightly connect each part of the body. Every weld seam undergoes strict inspection to ensure perfection. These seams are not just metal connections, they are crucial to the safety of the GWM tank. The coating of technology. A sturdy frame alone is not enough. We also need to dress it in a premium exterior. The paint workshop is where the GWM tank's personality and charm begin to take shape. After the body has been welded, it enters the painting line for a hot bath, followed by various processes such as rinsing, sanding, and electrocoating. Finally, it is ready to don its stylish exterior. The paint workshop employs a silane film plus high-penetration cathodic electrodeposition coating process for the base coat. The frame is sprayed with a precise amount of adhesive by 13 robots, ensuring consistent sealing across the entire body. Next, the exterior is painted with its signature color, with each spray being a meticulous pursuit of detail. Advanced automated spraying equipment precisely controls the amount of paint applied, ensuring that the color is even and rich in layers. From the primer to the top coat, every layer is carefully mixed and strictly controlled, allowing the GWM tank to maintain its luster even in the face of challenging environments. The assembling with souls. When all the components and the freshly painted frame come together on the assembly line, a precise assembly process begins. The GWM tank, now dressed in its outer shell, is transported to the final assembly workshop via an overhead corridor. The workshop utilizes an advanced SPS, set part supply, plus AGV, automated guided vehicle system, which automatically delivers parts from the warehouse to the designated spots on the production line, greatly enhancing both efficiency and accuracy. As the frame reaches the line, it is first separated for various modifications. The filling of the vehicle body is expertly carried out by a combination of robotic arms and skilled workers. On this production line, there are 26 processes in total, ranging from seat installation and dashboard layout to windshield installation. The workers strive for perfection in assembling each part of the vehicle. After the body is filled, it is reunited with its completed doors. The body, under automated operations, has its core components such as the engine, transmission, suspension system, and chassis installed one by one. With the powertrain integrated, a brand new GWM tank is finally assembled and rolls off the assembly line, ready to face its ultimate test. The rehearsal for journeys. The GWM tank undergoes rigorous testing, including four-wheel drive inspection, lighting checks, and sealing tests. It also faces simulated challenges of various terrains it might encounter, such as steep slopes, complex surfaces, and sharp turns. Each test pushes the vehicle's performance and reliability to its limits. Only after passing these stringent tests can the GWM tank be assured of its readiness to face off-road challenges with confidence and resilience. From a piece of steel to adventure, the GWM tank has undergone its transformation at the Chongqing Yongchuan factory. Now, it is fully equipped and ready to face the challenges of the vast world. With a fearless stance, it is set to conquer global off-road journeys and show the world the power of the global GWM tank. Off-road across the globe with the global GWM tank.
GWM